turn your English around with phrasal verbs. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on those involving the word turn. These are called separable phrasal verbs, and they play a key role in making your English sound more fluent and natural. Ready? Let's turn it up. Phrasal verbs are made up of a main verb combined with an adverb or a preposition, or sometimes both. When the word turn is used in such a combination, it forms a phrasal verb with turn. For example, turn on, turn off, turn up, and turn down are all phrasal verbs. The word turn by itself means to move in a circular direction, but when used in phrasal verbs, it can have many different meanings. The magic of English, right? Now, let's explore some common phrasal verbs with turn and their meanings. Turn up, to arrive or appear. For example, I invited him to the party, but he didn't turn up. Turn down, to reject something or someone. For example, she turned down the job offer because it was too far from her house. Turn on, to activate or cause to operate. For example, please turn on the lights, it's getting dark. Turn off, to deactivate or cause to stop operating. For example, don't forget to turn off the computer before you leave. Remember, these phrasal verbs are separable, which means the object can come after the verb and preposition, or it can split them. For example, turn off the lights and turn the lights off are both correct. Now that we've learned the meanings, let's see how to use these phrasal verbs in sentences. 1. I didn't turn off the television last night. I hope it didn't waste too much energy. 2. Can you turn down the music? I'm trying to study. 3. She didn't turn up for her appointment. I hope she's okay. 4. Remember to turn on the alarm before you leave the house. Practice making your own sentences using these phrasal verbs. It's the best way to make them part of your everyday vocabulary. There you have it, language learners. We've turned over a new leaf in our understanding of English with these phrasal verbs with turn. Practice them, use them, and watch your English communication skills turn around. Remember, the key to mastering phrasal verbs is to use them regularly in your speech and writing. Until next time, keep turning up your language learning power.